Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unpin a chat on WhatsApp. If you've pinned a chat to the top of your chat list and now want to unpin it, the process is simple and quick. Let's go through the steps together. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your Android device. Once you're in the app, you'll be on the main chat screen, where all your conversations are listed. Step 2. Next, locate the pinned chat at the top of your chat list. Pinned chats are usually the ones that you want quick access to, but if you no longer need that chat at the top, we can easily unpin it. Step 3. Long press on the pinned chat away. This will highlight the chat and bring up some options at the top of the screen. Step 4. Once the chat is selected, tap the unpin icon at the top of the screen. This icon looks like a small pin, and when you tap it, the chat will no longer be pinned and will return to its normal position in your chat list. And that's it. You've successfully unpinned the chat. It's that easy to manage your WhatsApp chats and make sure only the most important conversations stay at the top. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using WhatsApp. Also, hit the notification bell so you never miss out on new content.